Hello friends, the first chapter, some basic principle of chemistry, we are dealing with the matter. Before starting off this chapter, we should know about some of the important general introduction about the chemistry. Now the first thing is that what we can understand from the chemistry. Chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the chemical composition of matter, or we can say composition of matter, interconversion of matter, and the formation of new substances. That is chemistry. And in this definition, we have a term matter. What is the meaning of matter? Matter is everything which has mass and occupy volume, and that can be sensed by our sensory organs. Like water, we can feel the water, like air, smell of a particular gas. All these things are matter. Okay. In the definition of matter, two more terms are there: mass and volume. Mass is the amount of matter, and volume, the space occupied the matter, that is known as volume. Now the matter classified into further two categories is pure substance and mixture. Pure substances means those substances which are made of a single type of particles. Particles may be atoms, molecules, or ions. The pure substances is made up, again classified into two categories: elements and compound. Elements, those pure substances which are made of single type of atoms, like sodium, potassium, calcium, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, silicon, germanium. All these are elements. Element further classified into metal, non-metal, and metalloids. Metals. In the previous classes, we have gone through the properties of metals. Metals generally are hard, high melting and boiling point substances, ductile, malleable, lustrous. Non-metals, they are non-malleable, non-ductile, non-lustrous, soft, and having low melting and boiling points. Metalloids, which has the intermediary properties of metals and non-metals, means they have the properties of metal as well as non-metal, but they are not completely metal or completely non-metal. These are the example of metals: sodium, potassium, calcium; non-metal: hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine; metalloids: silicon and germanium. Other side, the compounds. Compounds also pure substances, and compounds are made of two or more than two different type of elements. Example: water, ammonia, and hydrochloric acid or hydrogen chloride. The second class of matter, that is mixture. Mixture is that matter which have two or more than two components. Mixture can be categorized into two categories: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture, example is water plus NaCl, means such type of mixtures in which all the components are mixed to each other and we cannot identify them individually. They are known as homogeneous mixture. Second category, that is heterogeneous mixture, means such type of mixtures which cannot be mixed to each other, or we can say such type of mixtures in which the component of that mixture not mixed to each other completely, they are known as heterogeneous mixture. Example: water and sand. So this was the introductory part of some basic principle of chemistry.